Okay, so in this episode, I'm going to show you how you can use Socialite to log in with Twitter. With that, I'm your host Sarthak, and this is a channel where I talk about Laravel and the cool thing about Laravel. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So firstly, I will open my project in my Sublime. So I will use this command, and here is Sublime, and we have to download the Socialites. And I think if you are following me, you probably know how you can use or install the Socialite into your project. But if you are new, just follow me. So I will just copy this from here, paste it here, and obviously it will take some time to create these things. So while this is installing, I will just create the other things. So we have to copy and paste this to our providers. So where is our providers? It's inside config and app.php. So you have to find providers, and here it is. These are the providers. So just paste it anywhere. So I will paste it here. Now this thing for the alias on the same file, here's the alias, and you can paste here so that we can use Socialite package anywhere inside our controller. So let's see. Yeah, it's now completed. That means the Socialite package is fully installed in our project. Okay, so next thing is we have to copy this and paste it our services.php file, which is again inside the config folder. So this thing, paste it anywhere. So here it is, and it's for Twitter. So Twitter, and next we have to copy and paste these commands or these functions inside our app http controller auth login controller. So again, paste it anywhere. So paste it here. We are going to use Twitter. So Twitter, and that's it. So where is the next thing? Here it is. So we have to create the routes for our login and callback. So go to web.php file, and so what I have done here, I have just pressed Control P and I have typed WEP web so that it just open the file. We don't have to go to routes folder to then click here. That's easy thing. Okay, now paste it here. Instead of GitHub, I will just say Twitter, and that's it. Next thing, we have to create the Twitter ID. That means app. So I will go to apps.twitter.com, and when you come here, obviously you have to log in. I have already logged in here. So when you log in with your Twitter ID, you will land on this page which says create new app. So here we have to give the name of the app. So I will give Bitfumes Socialite. Description will be tutorials for Socialite login system. So system. Okay, website name. Now here's the tricky part. We have to use http colon slash slash. If you are using the local host, that means if you are using PHP artisan serve, you must have to provide 127.0.0.1 colon 8000. Never use this local host type thing like this. I'm going to show you local host. Let's try this. So if I delete this, and obviously callback is not required here, so hit yes, create your app. And now if you are using this local host, you will get this kind of error. So instead of this, you can use 127.0.0.1 colon 8000. That's okay, and now you will create your app easily. So it's now created. You have to just go to keys and access token, copy this ID from here, paste it in your services, and this service we have created. So instead of this, I will paste my ID, and now the secret key which will come here, and the callback we can provide the callback as Again 127.0.0.1 colon 8000 slash login slash it's login it's login slash it's Twitter slash callback. I think it's now everything is correct. So let's see what we have to do. Yeah, it's done here. Here we have to do no. Next, let's go to login controller, and obviously we are using this function, so we have to use this function at the top. And if you are following me, you know how we can use this thing. So if you are new, what I'm doing here, I will just press Ctrl Shift and P. I will say here find, and I will get this PHP companion find use. Why? Because I have used PHP companion package for Sublime. If you don't know about this, you can find a link in the description where you will find a tutorial about PHP companion by me, and you will get how to configure these things. So let's hit enter, and you can see it's used it at the top. Now here I will uncomment this and I will return this so that we can see what we are getting. Instead of token, I want name. So now let's see. I will go to localhost, and it's not running because we have not started our servers. So PHP artisan serve. Okay, let's go hit enter and go to login slash Twitter, and it's asking for, and you can see it's giving some kind of error. Let's see, let's try with 127.0.0.1 8000 login slash Twitter, and let's see again the error. Okay, so the error is because we have not provided any callback here. So when you go to settings, it's weird because it's not having any asterisk sign, red asterisk sign, so it's not required, but it's giving me error. So I will just give this login slash Twitter slash callback, and now update this information here. Okay, so it's done. Let's try with localhost. Okay, Twitter, that's it. Okay, authorize app, it's giving error. Let's try here, refresh, authorize error, authorize app, not error. Okay, and you can see it's giving this thing. That means the problem is with that local host. So obviously you will use for testing 127.0.0.1. Okay, I think you get my point, and that's not a problem if you are using this 127 IP address. So in the next episode, we are going to see how we can get the information of the user from the Google, that means G+. So if you have any doubt, please feel free to comment me. You can message me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. You can like on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Share this video with your developer friends so that everyone gets the knowledge of best thing called Laravel. And we'll meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.